Upon completion of this unit, the trainee will know how to use aligning tools to position materials and equipment accurately. The most common aligning tools are the level, the plumb bob, and the chalk line. In construction, all building fundamentals are based on two concepts, level and plumb. These concepts are based on gravity. Plumb refers to the exact direction of gravitational pull to the center of the Earth. This direction is vertical or perpendicular to the horizon. Level refers to the horizontal plane. The surface of a still body of water is a horizontal plane. When an object is level, its position is exactly perpendicular or 90 degrees to the vertical or plumb direction. The level can be used to check the plumb or level of objects. The parts of the level include the edge, the face, the horizontal bubble, and the vertical bubble. Levels come in many sizes. A good multi-use level is the standard 2-foot level. Level sizes include small line levels, torpedo levels, and masonry levels that are as long as 6 feet. To check a level's accuracy, hold the level horizontally against a wall surface and draw a line on the wall when the bubble shows the exact horizontal position. Using the opposite edge of the level, realign the level along the line and check the bubble for exact horizontal positioning. Another way to check accuracy is to match the level with another level that has already been determined to be accurate. The bubbles are designed to align exactly between the lines. If the level is not exactly plumb or level, the bubble will move away from the center, indicating the position is out of true vertical or horizontal position. The vertical bubbles are positioned 90 degrees from the horizontal. Use the vertical bubble to align an object when checking for plumb. To check the side of a door frame for plumb, carefully place the level against the vertical surface. Do not tap or bang against the level when aligning the object. Examine the bubble. If the bubble settles between the two lines, then the frame is plumb. To check the top of the door frame for level, carefully place the level against the horizontal surface of the frame. Examine the bubble. If the bubble settles between the two lines, then the top horizontal member is level. The plumb bob is a tool that is always accurate, easy to use, and always reliable. The plumb bob has two parts, the bob, or weight, and the string. The bob may vary in weight from 2 3/4 ounces to 16 ounces. The average length of the plumb bob is 4 to 6 inches. The bob has a sharp point that shows the exact location of a vertical plumb alignment. Use a plumb bob to mark locations from a point overhead to a mark directly below, or from a point below up to a location directly above the fixed point. Let's look at both methods. Say a location or point A above is known, and point B is to be directly below point A. Secure the string of the bob to point A and suspend the bob just above the point B area. When the bob is motionless, mark exactly below the point of the bob. This line is now plumb. Now you can measure any object, such as a door frame, against the line to determine if the vertical frame is plumb. Use the second method when the lower point is known. Locate the point below with the plumb bob and extend the string to the point overhead. Once the bob is motionless, mark the string point above and the line is then plumb. After you make the mark above, secure the string to a nail at that point. Measure the distance from the string to the vertical object at the top and then near the bottom to check for plumb. The chalk box is a hand-size metal or plastic box containing 50 to 100 feet of coiled line. Fill the box with powdered chalk through a refill port. The chalk box has 5 main parts: the housing, the line, the hook, the crank, and the refill port. Inside the box is a chalk line reel that coils the line. When you extract the line from the chalk box, the powdered chalk automatically adheres to the line. Use chalk lines to lay out straight lines. To mark a straight line, place the hook over the end of a board or over a nail at the beginning of the layout line. With the chalk box in hand, extract the required amount of line from the box. Make sure the line does not make contact with the surface. Pull the line tight and lower the line into place. While holding the line in position, use the thumb and index finger to lift the line away from the surface. Then release the line. The line will snap back and deposit the chalk to produce a straight line. You have finished this module. Stop the videotape now and go to the practice exercises in the workbook.